Hi guys. So in today's video, we'll be recording just some basics about, Salesforce apps, tabs, objects, records, and fields. Just a quick, walkthrough of all the basics in Salesforce. So this is probably the screen that you'll be seeing when you register for your Trailhead Playground. So this is the Salesforce Playground that you get for, customizing things and learning things. So, all right, now quickly. Getting to the point now, if you want to move to apps. So this is an app right here. So the Playground Starter is an app. I'll go to the Sales app, which is a standard app that comes with Salesforce. And right here. So sorry about that. This is the app name. There are a lot more apps and a lot more is going to come, but just for now, this is the app. These are the tabs: home, opportunities, leads, tasks, files. These are the tabs. Now, let's just say we want to go to the accounts tab. Now, what this tab does is this represents an object. So, account is an object. What's an object? An object is, you can treat it as, a table in your database, like an accounts table. There's going to be a lot of data of accounts. So accounts is the object, it's the main object, and it comes standard with Salesforce. Next, so here, these are records. These are account records. Let's just go in one of them. Records are, data that we store in this table or this object. They're known as records, right? And now this is our record page, and you can see that there are three different tabs over here as well. These are record tabs, and for now we're in the details tab. This tab will contain all the details related to this particular account record, which is Burlington Textiles Corp of America. In these, and where does your data go? How do you store your data? You store it in fields. So these are fields: account name, that's a field; rating, phone number, fax number, website. These are all fields. You enter data into these manually, just like this, right? I click on one of the pencil icons and now I can start editing. So the rating for now, it was warm. We can make it hot. Account site, direct customer, shipping address. We can give it a shipping address. I can say 52nd Avenue somewhere. Let's just say Anaheim, California. Right? So we can give an address, and we can. These are fields. So address fields. All of these are fields where we store our data. And once we hit save, we have our updated data in Salesforce right here. You can see the updated address, the updated rating, and everything else. So what did we learn? App. App is this. We're in the sales app, and the app has a combination of tabs at the top. Each tab represents an object. Object, we're going to dive deeper into this, but just for now, this is an object, and all of these are an object. Opportunities, leads, and everything except for home. That's just a tab. That's uh, I'll show that to you later. And once we're in the tab, once we're in our and these are the list views. We'll get to that later. So these are, once we're in the tab, we can see the object and all the data or data records in that object. These are treated as records, and these are all the fields that are inside the record. For now, we're just showing a few handful of them, at a glance. But if you want to see all the fields, you can simply go inside this record. You go into the details tab, and you can see all the fields right here. There's a lot more on the screen, which we will cover in the upcoming videos. Thank you.